MLGO stock analysis and MLGO stock prediction. This is for next week. I'm answering whether this is a buy or not for me, so let's get right straight into it. Especially as I'm looking at MicroAlgo now, which is a solid 86% correction. What I'm not going to do here is just immediately, start selling or start buying. There's not going to be an immediate action that's about to be taken. Now, myself, I've done 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I've seen the data, I've known the patterns for myself. When I say myself, it's very subjective. I'm coming out here with tens of thousands of dollars spent into courses and mentors, and for me, this is just a bearish market. First of all, if there is no big catalyst or no sort of double break above $123 at least, full 4-hour candle close above there, I'm not looking at this and being like, okay, I'm bullish. No. So that's how MLGO is looking like. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then yeah, sure, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.